here and I'm back, and today I got the Amazon Echo 2nd Gen Buds with wireless charging case. So we're gonna unbox it, talk about this, see what this thing can do, and do a little bit of a sound test. And yeah, I heard a lot of great things about this, and hopefully it is pretty great. So let's get it started. Throw the threes up for your boy. This is Devin Up. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it done. Echo Buds with wireless charging case. It has Alexa with it, active noise cancellation, dynamic audio, and active noise cancellation. Compact design, comfort, secure fit, up to 5 hours. Music playback per charge, 15 hours with wireless. Alright, so it has a wireless charging case, Bluetooth, and sweat resistance earbuds. What's inside the box is the Echo Buds, wireless charging case, 4 size of earbud tips, 2 size of wing tips, and the USB Type-C cable. And what's needed is the Amazon Alexa app, iOS or Android device, Wi-Fi or mobile device, mobile data connection, or Bluetooth. Lastly, on the back, a little bit of an art design. Take Alexa with you. Alexa play top hits. Alexa start 7-minute workout. Alexa call home. All right, now let's unbox it. All right, so here's what it is inside, and I really like this. Everything's laid out for you. Here's a guide on how to activate it, things to try out when you first get it, and important information. And you get the earbuds itself, and you get the USB Type-C cord. Next you get the wing buds. All right, here's what they're looking like. So this one's for the left and the right. And then also you get another set of earbuds. Alright, so let's go to things you can try. You can enjoy your favorite music and audiobook. You can connect with family and friends. You can stay up to date. And also you can get organized by speaking through Alexa. And also you can do more with Alexa, such as open headspace, 7-minute workout, set up my routine, and find my buds. You know, so you can voice control your smart home devices. Alright, now let's get to the buds. Alright, so straight away, I like the material. It do feel luxury. Feels nice, well made. So when you first open it up, you can see the light right here, and on top you have the left and the right, and also you have the charge power right here. As you see, this one had just went off, and then you take it out, you have the charge inserts in here to also charge up your earbuds, and also have the magnet case to lay it on there easily. On the bottom you have the Amazon logo, you have the USB Type-C port right here you can charge the wireless case with, and also this button right here, if you hold and press it down, this is actually used to sync your products like your phone, laptop, whatever you want to sync to it, you can help sync to it. Next are the buds themselves. They're very similar to the Galaxy Buds, but here they are. You have the left and the right, and they're not much really to it. No buttons on the side. It's just, here they are right here. All right, so next I'm gonna go with the quick guide. You have the headphones, the charging case, the battery life, the IR sensors, the comfort vents, charging pad, and the ear tips. To activate your buds, you're gonna need to download the app, follow the setup guide within the app. Next, to fit in your ear, you get to follow the left and the right, place it in your ear, and twist it around a bit so you can get that nice snug feel. Next you have the ear tips. They have the pack size, which comes in the colors. As you see, you have the different colors inside the packing case. See the yellow, see the green and the blue. Next, the wing tips are optional. You can place it on there if you want to. It's just to help with your ear size and the ear canals for a better fitting. And also you can tap it to control it. So a single tap, double tap, triple tap, and long hold for play, pause, track next, Siri or Google Assistant, activate noise cancellation, pass through, and answer in calls. And last but not least, it's saying Alexa is here to protect your privacy, and that's pretty much it. All right, so now I'm gonna place these in my ears and see how they are. All right, so when you place these in your ear, it makes a sound, and also when you place these in, it says hello, giving you a quick guide of how to use your buds. And those how they look in my ear. What do you guys think? All right, so I'm gonna play a little bit of music, play some phone calls, and I'm gonna give you my initial thoughts of it. at the end. All right, I'm trying to use it, and I don't like how it's kind of forcing me to download the app and create an account. I just want to use these. If there's a way to bypass it, that would be great, Amazon, but you just, when you buy something, you just want to use it straight away, All right, so I just listened to these, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I kind of had a little low expectations for these, but you always want to have with anything, and honestly, it blew my expectations. These are actually pretty fire. The bass is nice. It do sound good. Like, I ain't gonna lie, these are really nice. I heard, like I said, I heard a lot of great things about these, and I'm thinking like, alright, you know what I'm saying, whatever, but nah, these are fire. I recommend these. These are good, but let me give you my pros and cons of it, so, Black, I gotta do all this hand stuff. Alright, so the comfortability level with me, I can't really vote this because it's more of a personal thing. How I had it in my ear, I didn't like it because I feel like something was in my ear. Now, I tried on the Jabras and I tried on the Galaxy Buds Pros. That's very related to these. I'm not even going to compare the Apples because we're not going to compare that. Apples are nice. Those did not feel like something was in my ear. Something feels like this was in my ear. So comfortability, I want to give it like a 6 or a 7. But again, that's personal. That don't really count for pros and cons. The noise cancellation was okay. It was nice. I didn't really hear anything. So I do give that a thumbs up. The noise cancellation, yes. The sound quality was great. I do recommend that. So yes, the sound quality, get a thumbs up for me too. When I made the phone calls, it was a little bit of a staticky, a little bit of an issue, and like that little whining sound when I made phone calls. Maybe I gotta wait for an update or something, but it was a little bit of a for me. So I give that a 5. It wasn't great for me. But I'm not trying to trash it. I'm not trying to give an excuse for it. I don't know what happened. Maybe just a bad timing. Maybe just bad whatever. But as far as I see with me, the calls was not that great. So I give it a 5. And that's pretty much it. I already got much to say about it. These are great headphones. That's all I already got to say about it. Next, let's get into the specs, and we're gonna end this video. Alright, so pros and cons for the price. Number 1, it's affordable. It's $100, and that's very affordable compared to other competition. Like I said, the next thing up close to that in the competition will be the Galaxy Buds Plus, which comes in like 110, 120. Sound quality is amazing. You'll definitely like these. Like I said, it sounds great. I heard better, but for what you're getting for $100 with these, you come in and getting some great sounds. Also, you can pair these with other products too that are Alexa based. So if you're an Alexa person, these will be awesome. Galaxy friendly also, you'll like these. You will not be disappointed. Active noise cancellation. These do have active noise cancellation. You can barely hear stuff when you have these on. Other products are a little bit stronger when it comes to the noise cancellation, but it has great noise cancellation. So if you want that, quiet setting when you're listening to music, these are great. And also for the price, again, you're getting something great. You do have wireless charging with these, so you can place it on a wireless charging pad. And also it comes with the USB Type-C, where it comes with that fast charging. Now with that being said, with the charging, let's go into the battery life. Alright, so when it comes to the battery life, with the noise cancellation on, it comes in 5 hours. With the noise cancellation off, 6.5 to 7 hours. And if you're just using it casually on and off daily, it comes with 12 hours total. With just putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, taking it on, putting it in your case and letting it charge, 12 hours total. So here's the thing. When it comes to the noise cancellation and wearing it, that is definitely better than the AirPods. It definitely beats it. But when it comes to the charging case of that 12 hours, that's probably terrible and one of the worst charging cases because Apple has 24 hours. So it's like a yay and a fail at the same time, but it's all good though. Next is the IPX4 rating. Now the IPX4 rating is the same as the Apple. IPX is the water resistance. And last but not least, the call. Again, the calls, I'm not sure what was going on with that. That was horrible. But I don't know. Maybe it's an update that'll make it better. Amazon got that money to do that. Alright guys, this is Devin Up. I'm out. Thanks for watching. What do you guys think about the Amazon Buds right here? So, alright guys, I'm done. That's my thoughts on the Echo Buds 2. And I have nothing else to say about it. What do you guys think about it? Alright guys, throw the pizza for your boy. I gotta go today. You gotta go today. Thanks for watching my video. I do appreciate you guys.